Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing of the Morimoto rock lights. This is the 8-pack RGB. The box is pretty large, larger than I expected it to be. It is the largest box in the box of stuff I got from them. But open it up, you get your little thank you card, and then you have QR codes for downloading the app you need to actually control the RGB feature on these lights. So there's that, and then here's everything. Boxing is pretty nice from the top to bottom. This is going to be the actual Bluetooth controller, and then everything you wire the power into, and then you have all the offshoots that go to your lights. This thing is pretty sick by itself. Just the quality on it, a little carbon fiber hold down points, I think that's what that is. And all the wiring is got this braided shield, nylon shielding on it, so super nice quality on that. You also got a bunch of zip ties for cable management, a bunch of different types of fuse taps, things like that. So here's a connection if you just want to wire it straight to 12 volt. There's a bunch of add fuses in here for different size fuses. What are these? Yeah, just different styles of fuse taps. So a lot of versatility in wiring everything. Also comes with the magnet mounts, which are rubberized. And these are just going to attach to the back of the light itself, which is kind of cool because the KC lights, you got to buy these separately. The whole magnet kit, you have to buy it separate, but this one comes with it. Also, it's going to come with a bunch of hardware, some caps if you're not going to use every output on the light controller, the extra long screws for mounting the magnets to the back of the lights themselves. So they it's all in one, like you're not really going to need a whole lot else. Down here, again, you have another type of fuse tap. This is the switch button. Very clicky. Probably not going to be using this because I'm going to be running these lights through a switch controller, the Garmin. So we'll see how all the wiring on that goes. But again, super long, nice nylon braided cable. Extensions for the lights themselves to reach the different links in the vehicle, and then you got splitters and everything like that as well. Cool. Let's look at the lights themselves. So this is the light. Looks like it's a cast aluminum housing with a single Allen screw in the center, holding the lens down and holding it all together. The lens is polycarbonate, and it has like these little Morimoto, if I can get it to focus, Morimoto logos on it, which is kind of a cool little detail. Kind of don't see a point to having that on there because it's going to be underneath the vehicle, but still cool that they went that in depth with, attention to detail. Connectors it uses is these 4-pin, pretty standard across rock lights. I think most RGB rock lights use that style of connector where you just plug it in and screw it off. Never had a problem with that style in the past, but yeah, well, that's the unboxing of these. There's nothing underneath the plastic case here, and overall quality looks really nice, and pretty stoked to install these. Probably going to try using those magnet mounts to dial in where I really want them first, and then I might go back through and hard mount them with the 2 tabs, but we'll see. Apparently the magnets are pretty strong, so might just be rocking that. But that's the unboxing of the Morimoto 8-piece RGB rock lights.